Hello and welcome to the podcast Within the Nucleus, a journey in regeneration and longevity. At the heart of every living cell lies a nucleus, a tiny structure no bigger than a speck, yet carrying the instructions for life itself. Today we are diving into the center of cellular identity, healing, and human potential. It's not just biology. This is a story of how decoding the nucleus may unlock regenerative medicine, stem cell breakthroughs, and even longer, healthier lives. Welcome to Within the Nucleus, a journey into regeneration and longevity. Imagine a library containing every book ever written about how to build and maintain a human being. That's the nucleus. It stores DNA, your cellular instruction manual. But it is not about storage. The nucleus decides which instructions get read and when. During repair, disease or aging, it orchestrates what gets turned on or shut down. Damage to this command center can result in dysfunction, mutation, and even transformation. And so, the key to understanding regeneration and longevity lies within the nucleus, this small but mighty regulator. I'm Sukant Khurana, one of your speakers, and now I'll be giving over the mic to Basudha Banerjee, a brilliant student in the field of regenerative medicine.
Thanks, Dr. Khurana. I shall be discussing about stem cells, the archetypes of renewal. So stem cells are nature's blank slates, guided by cues from the nucleus, and they can become muscle, nerve, bone, almost anything. When we reprogram adult cells into induced pluripotent stem cells, we are essentially telling the nucleus to erase its memory and start fresh. But how does the nucleus know what to become next? That is where epigenetics comes in, which is a layer of control over the DNA shaped by life itself. To build the future of regenerative medicine, we must learn how to whisper to the nucleus through stem cells and not shout.
Regenerative medicine is about rewriting body's instruction. Injured spinal cords, failing heart, regenerating eyes. For decades, medicine treated symptoms, but regenerative medicine changes the script. By using stem cells and reprogramming technologies, we ask the body to rebuild itself, cell by cell, organ by organ. We can edit genes inside nucleus with CRISPR, engineer tissues using 3D printing, and grow mini organs, organoids, to model diseases. The nucleus becomes not just a passive bookkeeper of DNA, but an active participant in healing. This is not science fiction. This is already in clinical trials and labs.
Having said that, longevity is basically turning back the cellular clock. Aging begins when our cells forget how to function. Telomeres shrink, DNA mutates, and the epigenetic script gets gobbled. But in the lab, we have learned to reprogram cells, particularly using Yamanaka factors. It's like rolling back time carefully without losing the identity. Some call it nuclear rejuvenation, restoring the shape, stability, and signals within the nucleus to a more youthful state. What if aging isn't just inevitable? And what if it's reversible, one nucleus at a time? The nucleus may not just hold the story of our past, it might write a healthier future.
Very well said, Vasudha. It's not just the past, it could rewrite future. The future is of a cellular symphony. Imagine a future where your cells are scanned, decoded, and rejuvenated before disease strikes. A world where your personal stem cells are stored, enhanced, and deployed to repair injury and organ failure. AI algorithms will read your nuclear signatures like music, composing treatments tailored to your biology. We'll see longevity clinics, regenerative cocktails, and even space therapies where aging becomes optional, not inevitable. But I'd like to warn right now, a lot of what is going on about anti-aging is also snake oil salesmanship. We are here to discuss science. We are not here to discuss the business part of it, which involves both real science and also pseudoscience and fluff. We are discussing the real potential of anti-aging. The nucleus is no longer a complete black box. It's an interface between who we are and who we can become. And slowly, this is becoming a reality. From the core of the cell to the edges of human potential, nucleus holds more than DNA, it holds promise. And understanding how it makes cells, controls regeneration, and ages with us, we've not just science, but hope. Stay curious, stay tuned, and remember the smallest parts of us may hold the biggest answers. Thank you. We'll be back again.